Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. This is the first video in how to create a website series. Now we are going to set up the tools required for creating the website. The first thing we need to do is to download and install the Sublime Text editor on Windows. Let's open our web browser. On the address bar, we type in Sublime Text 3. Click on the first one, and then in the download page, click and download the appropriate version of the software for your computer. If you don't know how many bits your OS is, click the command prompt icon here, or you can find it in the search box here. Now I click on this icon, and the command prompt window is open now. Type in wmic OS get OSArchitecture, and then hit enter. You can see the OS is 64-bit in my case. Okay, so I click on this Windows 64-bit for downloading. Now you can find your folder. The file is downloaded here. Double click on this, and the user account control dialog is open. Click yes. And then in the setup window, you can click next, and then click install. Click finish. Okay, the text editor is installed. Now you can click on this icon. In the next video, we will talk about how to set up environmental variable for Sublime Text Editor. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to receive alerts on my new uploads. Thanks for watching.